to my channel. So this is a very short video with a new update which is coming on Instagram, that is Reels. Alright, so Instagram is actually launching a new feature called Reels, which is very similar to TikTok. It will have 15-second video clips in which you can add music and all the other things. It's just very similar to TikTok. And yeah, this is this new feature of Instagram coming, and I just came to know about it and I thought I should share it with you guys. So initially this was actually launched in Brazil. Now Instagram has plans to reach out to other countries also. So after TikTok has been banned in India and is more likely to be banned in other countries also, like US also has some plans to actually ban TikTok. So this will be the new hub. Okay, so Instagram is going to become the social hub which has all sorts of things: long video, short video, posts, everything, stories, and everything possible in any social media platform. So Instagram will be having all of that, which is amazing. And yeah, you can actually a lot of, after TikTok has been banned, a lot of content creators have lost so much of followers and so much of content which they had taken the time and posted on TikTok. So like now there's this opportunity where they can actually post their this is their opportunity to actually grow through Instagram. They can post a lot of videos here on Instagram. And yeah, I guess even Instagram is much more safer than you know than TikTok. Like I've heard news is like TikTok used to track the clipboard and a lot of things, which is like it sounds very unsafe. So yeah, so that's why this update would be actually very helpful. So but basically it will be like in your Instagram stories where you have the option of boomerang and live and all of these things. Similar, you'll be having option of reels over here, as you can see, and you can add your music. You can adjust the speed, timer, everything, just very similar to TikTok, which is quite interesting. And yeah, you can post short videos and it has a potential of getting viral. All right, so it can actually grow over here. So here you can read like it has a potential to go viral. All right, so this is actually very interesting because it will be it will be shown as a new feature like top reel section in the explore page, which you can see over here. So you will, in your explore page, you'll be having a option like this, like called top reel, where you can put you can add where your all your these videos will be shown. But initially what I feel, it will be only on stories, so it will be present for only 24 hours. But of course Instagram might be having some plans to actually, Instagramming must have some new update in which we can actually save it for 24 hours also. So like the way the Instagram has grown, like initially we had Instagram only where you can post pictures, then they bought their then they added videos, then stories, then IGTV, and then we had these things of blogs, something where you can post blogs. I don't know, I don't exactly remember the name of it. Okay, we heard that it was coming. I don't know if it has come yet or not. Okay, where you can post blogs, and now this new feature of reel. So Instagramming is becoming like this, the social media hub where you'll be having anything possible you can have on Instagram. So this is actually very interesting. This article which I'm reading from is techcrunch.com. You guys can all go out there, check this article. So yeah, so this was this latest update which I was very excited when I came to know about it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So we all are waiting for this new update. Let's see what happens and how does this go. So hopefully you guys like this video. Do check out my other videos, like do check out my other videos on Instagram, growth, Facebook ads, and all of these Facebook ads, marketing. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, thank you.